Hi, my name's Hugh Kalis. I work for Duke University Libraries as a software developer and digital humanities researcher. So what is markup? We can think of a markup language as codes or instructions that are added to a text so that machines can process them. You're probably aware that web pages are written using a language called HTML. In HTML, these codes are written using tags, that is, words and key value pairs wrapped in angle brackets. This makes a web page a little different from other text authoring environments like Word, for example, because it's just plain text under the hood. If you look at the source of a web page, you'll see a bunch of tags in the text of the page. You can get at the source of a Word document, but it's a bit more complicated than that, though Word, too, does use a markup language under the covers. HTML and Word are mostly focused on how a text looks and how it behaves. They both let you format text into paragraphs and headings, make text bolder or different colors, and add links to other documents. But in this class, we're going to talk about another markup language, the TEI. TEI stands for Text Encoding Initiative, and it uses tags like HTML does, but its tags are more focused on the meaning of the text than how it's supposed to look. This difference means that TEI documents can be treated as both text and as data sources or databases at the same time. You can ask a TEI document how many times an individual is named in it, for example, or produce a map displaying all of the named places in the document. Because TEI is concerned with meaning rather than display, you can also do different things with your document in different contexts. You can turn a TEI document into a PDF for printing. You can display it on the web. You can make it searchable in a variety of ways. There are all kinds of possibilities. TEI also gives you ways to package extra information, such as metadata, with your editions, which you might not display along with your edition, but which might be useful in explaining its context and history. TEI is based on XML, which provides the rules for how the tags are to be used. XML has the idea of a schema, which lets you set out exactly what tags you want to use and where those tags can be used in the document. So TEI is also a bit like a database in that you can check whether the information in it has the correct structure. An XML editor like Oxygen, which we will use in this class, will help you keep things straight by giving you suggestions for what tags you can use, by telling you when you've done something wrong. Because TEI's tags are more or less based on English, a left-to-right language, there are difficulties in using it in conjunction with right-to-left languages like Arabic. A big reason for using Oxygen is that it has facilities for managing the tags in the text without making life too miserable for the editor. We'll explain how to make this work when we meet. I'm very much looking forward to meeting you all. Thank you.